We are often asked whether Facebook advertising or Google AdWords advertising is best for a particular business. In this video, I'm going to take you through the pros and cons of both ways of advertising. Facebook advertising is really great if you want to target a specific demographic. So what happens is we target a certain person on Facebook and then show them the ad. However, that doesn't necessarily mean that they're interested in our product. So it works really great for, let's say, consumer-based products or buying a t-shirt, but not necessarily great to, let's say, appliance repair, where you only search when you need that specific service. Google AdWords advertising only comes up in an ad in the search engines when that customer has searched a specific phrase. So for example, if they're searching washing machine repair Perth, then your ad can come up right at the top, and therefore you know your buyer is primed to buy. Facebook advertising is a little bit cheaper than Google AdWords advertising, but it's not necessarily as targeted as a keyword phrase search through Google AdWords. They're both great advertising mediums, but it's up to your particular business which one you choose. Now, if you want to calculate the exact return on investment of a potential AdWords campaign, click on our free calculator in the description or in this video.